Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss from question number 16. The best conclusion concerning delta is that the cells option A contain no DNA, option B contain no RNA, option C contain only one chromosome that is very short, option D are actually in the G0 phase. So the correct option is option D are actually in the G0 phase. Question number 17. Where do the microtubules of the spindle originate during mitosis in both plant and animal cells? Option A centromere, option B centrosome, option C centriole, option D chromatid. So the correct option is option B centrosome. Question number 18. If a cell has 8 chromosomes at the metaphase of mitosis, how many chromosomes will it have during anaphase? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 8. So the correct option is option D 8. Question number 19. Cytokinesis usually but not always follows mitosis. If a cell complete mitosis but not cytokinesis, the result would be a cell with option A a single large nucleus, option B high concentration of actin and myosin, option C two abnormally small nuclei, option D two nuclei. So the correct option is option D two nuclei. Question number 20. Regarding mitosis and cytokinesis, one difference between higher plants and animals is that in plants, option A, the spindle contain microfibrils in addition to microtubules, whereas animal spindles do not contain microfibrils. Option B, sister chromatids are identical but they differ from one another in animals. Option C, a cell plate begins to form at telophase, whereas in animals a cleavage furrow is initiated at that stage. Option D, chromosomes become attached to the spindle at prophase, whereas in animals chromosomes do not become attached until anaphase. So the correct option is option C, a cell plate begins to form at telophase, whereas in animals a cleavage furrow is initiated at this stage. Question number 21. The formation of a cell plate is beginning across the middle of the cell and nuclei are reforming at opposite ends of the cell. What kind of cell is this? Option A, an animal cell in telophase. Option B, an animal cell undergoes cytokinesis. Option C, a plant cell in metaphase. Option D, a plant cell undergoing cytokinesis. So the correct option is option D, a plant cell undergoing cytokinesis. Question number 22. Taxol anti-cancer drug disrupts microtubules formation by binding to microtubules and accelerating their assembly, so surprisingly this stop mitosis, especially Taxol must affect option A the fibers of the mitotic spindle, option B anaphase, option C formation of the centrioles, option D the S phase of the cell cycle. So the correct option is option B anaphase. Question number 23. Which of the following are primarily responsible for cytokinesis in plant cells? Option A, kinetochores, option B, Golgi-derived vesicles, option C, actin and myosin, option D, centrioles and basal bodies. So the correct option is option B, Golgi-derived vesicles. Question number 24. Chromosomes first become visible during which phase of the mitosis? Option A, telophase, option B, prophase, option C, metaphase, option D, anaphase. So the correct option is option B, prophase. Question number 25. During which phase of mitosis are chromosomes composed of two chromatids? Option A, from G1 of interphase through metaphase, option B, from metaphase through telophase, option C, from anaphase through telophase, option D, from G2 of interphase through metaphase. So the correct option is option D, from G2 of interphase through metaphase. Question number 26. In which group of eukaryotic organisms does the nuclear envelope remains intact during mitosis? Option A, seedless plants, option B, dinoflagellates, option C, diatoms, option D, B and C only, Option E, A, B and C. So the correct option is option A, seedless plants. Question number 27. The measured DNA levels range from 3 to 6 picogram per nucleus. In which stage of the cell cycle was the nucleus with 6 picograms of DNA? Option A, G0, option B, G1, option C, S phase, option D, G2 phase. So the correct option is option C, S phase. Question number 28. A group of cells is assayed for DNA content immediately following mitosis and is found to have an average of 8 picograms DNA per nucleus. Those cells would have how many picograms at the end of the S phase and at the end of G2 phase? Option A, 8, 16, option B, 16, 8, option C, 16, 16, option B, 12, 16. So the correct option is option C, 16, 16. Question number 29. The somatic cell derived from a single cell zygote divided by which process? Option A, meiosis, option B, mitosis, option C, replication, option D, cytokinesis alone. So the correct option is option D, cytokinesis alone. Question number 30. The chromosomes of many of the squashed onion root tape cells are plainly visible. In some cells, replicated chromosomes are aligned along the center of the cell. These particular cells are in which stage of mitosis? Option A, telophase, option B, prophase, option C, anaphase, option D, metaphase. So the correct option is option D, metaphase. So dear students, ये था हमारा आज का लेक्चर. कल एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ मिलते हैं. Stay connected. अल्लाह हाफिज़.